Hi there, I just wanted to take you on a short walk around my garden to show you some things that have opened in the last few days. These are the honey-scented flowers of Euphorbia mellifera, and it grows really tall here in my lovely sheltered Eastbourne garden. It's very, very happy and very, very scented on a warm afternoon like this one. And up there I've got a gorgeous Abutilon vitifolium album. Flowers for about 6 weeks. It's absolutely super flowering period and so pretty. Flowers for much longer than a cherry. Very pretty flowering shrub if you've got the climate for it. Over here we've got the flowers of Rosa Isaac Pereire just opening. Down there the Californian poppies. It's a bit cloudy this afternoon, so it's quite good for filming, but they're a bit shut. Another thing that I'm really enjoying is the Iris Langport Wren, which is echoing the colours of the shoots on this Rosa glauca and the dark-leaved elderflower beyond it. Just round here, it's Iris Braithwaite coming up through tree peony leaves, and lots more irises to come there. Over here we've got Tulip Peach Blossom coming up with Iris Jane Phillips with the cardoon behind it, which is a nice combination. Euphorbia Caraceas, it's acid yellow with the golden hop beyond it, and that yellow pot with perennial wallflowers in it. That's the Rubus Tridelbenendum beyond it. And then just to continue the yellow theme, up here we've got absolutely swathes of the Rosa Banksii lutea. So these are all great things for a really warm, sunny garden in shelter.